Okay, I'm ready when you are.
From the outside, the pump enclosure looks manageable. Our goal is to locate the heart of the nest and move the entire colony without causing any harm to the bees or the equipment. Okay, you're going to swing that way and go out. Okay.
I was about to say.
No, it's bolted down.
No, my side isn't.
The original plan was to lift this entire cover onto a white sheet to work in the open. But as we start, we hit a major obstacle. Okay. The electrical box is hardwired to the cover. These cables have us anchored. Okay, we go straight up here.
Yeah, slowly.
Something's...
What?
No, you can't do it.
It's something on the side of the box.
Yeah, it's attached to the side of the box. It's electrical.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, with this. Pity.
Yeah. Oh well.
Okay.
Happens.
We've got to shift everything that side.
Yeah.
We have to pivot. And quickly. Instead of moving the cover, we'll have to balance the lid open. It's a risky maneuver. The lid shifts, the fragile wax cone could break off and crush the colony below.
Yeah, there's a bit of comb stuck.
They're mostly on the lid though.
Seems like it's mostly on the lid, yeah.
Because then we can move the lid and then put the lid, yeah.
Okay, it's a decent amount. It seems they've built up a lot of this side.
Okay.
Okay. But I'm gonna need your help just to
lift and move it across. Eh? So you want to put the back there, and then the overhang is going to be here, huh?
Yeah. Oh wow, yeah. You can see most of the
comb broke there.
Yeah. Is it holding?
Yeah.
It's just a couple of bees, little bits of comb. They've built a lot for the time they've been here. Okay. Do you want to start the vacuum up? Yeah.
Because this is a new swarm, the energy has been focused entirely on building comb and providing space for the queen to lay. We begin the surgical process of vacuuming the bees. By clearing the workers first, we safely remove the comb sections one by one.
A lot of brood, eh?
Sure. It's a rhythmic, satisfying process of disassembly. This is a full comb of brood. Notice there's almost no nectar or pollen stored here yet. In these early stages, survival is a race to grow the population and not to store food. We carefully place these brood combs into frames. The bees have a powerful natural instinct to protect and keep their young warm.
Just lift and see if there's any more bees. Let's touch those guys. With these smaller hives, the numbers matter a bit more. Not nothing crazy, but if we see the bees, we might as well grab them.
Okay, there's a clump on the inside here. Eh?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Cool.
I'm happy.
Good.
You happy?
I'm happy.
Just turn the vacuum off. So you want to put the bees in, or the frames in here?
In the box, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna put them all on this left side.
Yeah, where all the bees are, yeah. Okay.
With the pump clear and the colony safely secure for transfer, the homeowner can finally get back to work. Another successful rescue, ensuring these bees have a future in a much safer home. If you enjoyed this bee removal, be sure to click here to see a few more that you might find interesting.